Bye, flower. Fuzzy flower. The Tweeties. And look, the tick-tock clock.
The Tweeties do love a sing-song.
It's pointing to playtime. Playtime. The go-go plane is ready to go-go! Hold on tight, Baba. One, two, three things to play with. Three things to choose from. A watering can, a bucket and spade, or a flower. The fuzzy flower. Yes, the flower, Baba. Let's play with the fuzzy flower.
How did I know you'd pick that? Soft and light as a feather.
Wow! So pretty. It's fuzzy music from a fuzzy flower.
Higher and higher it floats, drifting up into the sky.
Wow!
Oh, where are they?
Yummies!
Blue! Green!
Hi, Yummies!
Come on, join us!
Flitterbugs! Flitterbugs! Twinkly and shiny.
Beautiful flitterbugs, lighting up the evening sky.
Look, Grandma Liba, we're both yummy-sized. Yummy-sized!
Oh, so you are.
Teddy bear is teddy-sized. Where's Yellow Yummy?
Yellow!
Oh dear.
Aww. Hug. Yes. A big hug to make you better.
Yummy hug!
Yes, sometimes we all need a hug. And a picnic snack before bedtime.
Yum! Thanks. Yum, 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 yum.
Yes, a big stretch after a busy day. Up into the sky.
Bye!
Thanks for the teddy bear picnic. Thanks, Yummies.
The sun is low. It's time to go to the lullaby lake.
Brushy time! Show them your teeth, Baba. That's tickly.
Ah, the lullaby lake.
A sleepy hug for Baba. Hello, Fungi and Pungi.
Breathing gently, barely awake.
Hi, yummies. Where did they go? Red, yellow,
Green.
Blue.
look.
What is it?
Watch. Floaty bubbles.
See? Everyone loves floaty bubbles. Oh dear.
Wow, a floaty dog. Oh, yummy dog. We need to get yummy dog down. Tweety. Tweety, we need your help. Yummy dog!
Come, eat with us.
Floaty flutterbugs. Look at them twirl around.
Yes, lighting up the sky.
Look, Grandma Liba, for a yummy size. Yummy size.
So you are.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Thank you, Tweety.
Thank you.
That's right. Stretch to the sky.
Thank you. See you soon, yummies.
The sun is low, so it's time to head to Lullaby Lake.
It's brushy time. Show them your teeth, Baba. Tickly tickles.
The Lullaby Lake. From a floaty balloon to a floaty boat. What a busy, floaty day you've had.
Hi, Fungi. The Tweeties are riding on the wind. Cloud ride.
I think the wind has gone away again, Baba.
Oh. One, two, three things to play with. Three things to choose from. A boat. A kite. A star. Look, Baba, the wind is back. Let's play with the kite.
What a wonderful idea. Kites are lots of fun on a windy day.
Kite, please, play tree. Let's fly the kite with the tweeties. Fly with the tweeties. Lowest wind. The wind has gone again. Oh no. Look, MeMo, it's moving. Maybe we can blow on the kite to make it fly.
It's worth a try. It's not quite enough puff for the kite.
The kite! Let's go, Baba!
Oh, look at it fly.
So high in the sky. I love you, kites. It's yummy time! Yay! Bye-bye, kites. See you later, Playtree. Bye-bye, see you tomorrow. Look, the yummies.
MeMo!
Baba!
Red.
Green.
Blue!
We've been picking strawberries. Come and join us.
Glitterbugs. Look at them twinkle and shine.
Yes, beautiful flitterbugs lighting up the sky.
Can I pet Yummy Dog?
Yes.
That's nice and gentle, MeMo.
Baba too.
Whoa!
Gentle, Baba. Gentle.
Oh, Yummy Dog likes that.
Strawberries.
Help yourself.
Are they squished? It's okay, Baba. Gentle yummies.
Tuck in.
Thank you, trees. It's time to go now.
Reaching high, up to the sky.
Thank you, yummies.
Bye, MeMo. Bye, Baba. Thank you.
Thank you, yummies. Butterfly.
Yes, maybe flitting somewhere in the sky as we gently float to the lullaby lake.
Brushy time. Show them your teeth, Baba. Oh, it tickles.
The lullaby lake.
It's back. Gentle fungi. Gently pongy. Hello.
So delicate and fluttery.
Bye-bye, butterfly.
Breathing gently, barely awake. The sun dips low in the sky. It shines on Lullaby Lake.